Hey, how are you? In this video, we will be talk about Pushpa full story and few little bit leak story of Pushpa 2. In the 1990s, Pushpa Raj is a coolie who works to smuggle red sandalwood, a rare wood that only grows in the Seshachalam hills of the Chittoor district in Andhra Pradesh. When DSP Govindappa raids them in the forest, Pushpa hides and recovers the stock, thereby gaining the trust of his employer Konda Reddy. With the help of novel ideas to smuggle the red sandalwood, he quickly rises through the ranks and becomes Konda Reddy's partner. Mangalam Sirnu, a merciless dealer who manages the red sandalwood syndicate, entrusts Konda Reddy to keep 200 tons of his stock safe. As Konda's younger brother Jolly Reddy is deemed incompetent, Pushpa is given the job. Govindappa attempts to raid them, but Pushpa throws all the logs into the river, saving it from being seized. At a party, Pushpa overhears that Srinu is selling the wood at a much higher rate than that they are paid. He asks Konda to demand a fair share but backs down as going against Srinu seems risky. Pushpa meets Srivalli and instantly falls for her. On their engagement day, his half-brother Mohan denies Pushpa's lineage because he was born out of wedlock while his mother is injured in the ensuing scuffle. The angers Pushpa, which motivates him to rise higher in life. The next day, he smuggles the wood to Chennai and meets Srinu from whom he demands 1 crore US $130 lakh per ton as their share. Srinu refuses and his men attack him, but $130,000. Pushpa overpowers them. He then goes to Chennai himself and cuts a deal to sell the wood at 1.5 crore US $2 lakh per ton, which Konda and Pushpa agree to share equally. Jolly blackmails Srivalli to spend a night with him while holding her father captive. Enraged, Pushpa badly beats up Jolly, temporarily paralyzing him. Konda, finding out that Pushpa is responsible for his brother's condition, tries to kill him, but Srinu's men ambush them. Amid the confusion, Pushpa manages to counterattack them. Konda is killed, but Pushpa saves Konda's brother Jakka Reddy. He also captures Srinu's brother-in-law Mogilisu and kills him. MP Bhumi Reddy Siddhappa Naidu arranges a truce between Pushpa and Srinu and appoints Pushpa to manage their syndicate. After 6 months, Pushpa becomes an influential person due to Srinu's inability to avenge his brother-in-law. His wife Dakshayani slits his throat, which injures him. While Pushpa is at his prime, Babar Singh Shekhawat, a ruthless police officer, takes charge as a district's SP. Pushpa offers him a bribe of 1 crore $130,000. Shekhawat, however, intimidates and ridicules Pushpa for his lineage and not giving respect by addressing him as Sir. Pushpa gets angry, but this insult and forms his hand into a fist, but Shekhawat threatens to shoot his hand if Pushpa does not unfold his fingers. Pushpa backs down, leaves the station and becomes unusually meek and submissive towards him. On the night of Pushpa's wedding, Pushpa and Shekhawat drink together, expressing contempt on how he was ridiculed in their first meeting. Pushpa takes Shekhawat's revolver and shoots himself in his hands. He pressures Shekhawat to get undressed while he also does the same. Pushpa says that his stature as that of a syndicate boss remains the same. Nonetheless, while Shekhawat is nothing without his police uniform, to the extent that even his dog would not recognize him if he is naked. Pushpa leaves for his wedding while Shekhawat goes back home semi-naked. As predicted, his dog barks at him. Enraged, Shekhawat kills the dog and burns the bribe money given by Pushpa. The cast of the Pushpa Raj is as Allu Arjun as Pushpa Raj, Fahad Fazil as SP, Bhavar Singh Shekhawat, Rashmika Mondana as Shrivalli, Jagadish Pratap Bandari as Keshava Akka Mondilo, Sunil as Mangalam Shrinu, husband of Dakshiani and former syndicate leader, Rao Ramesh as MP Bhumi Reddy Siddhappa Naidu, Dhananjaya as Jolly Reddy, younger brother of Jakka and Konda Reddy, Anasuva Bardwaj as Dakshayani Daksha, wife of Mangalam Shrinu, Ajay as Moletti Mohan Pushpa's stepbrother, Ajay Ghosh as Konda Reddy, eldest brother of Jolly Reddy and Jakka Reddy, Sri Tej as Pushpa's stepbrother, Shatru as DSP Govindappa, Shanmukh as Jakka Reddy, second elder brother of Jolly Reddy and Konda Reddy, Pavani Karanam as Pushpa's niece, Maim Gopi as Chennai Murgun, Brahmaji as S.I. Kuparaj, Samantha Ruth Prabhu as a bar dancer in a special appearance in the item number Antawa Antawa. Pushpa The Rise was released on 17th December 2021. Previously, the film was announced to release on 13th August 2021. Coinciding with the Independence Day weekend in May 2021, the makers announced that the film would be releasing in two parts, with the first part coming on the originally intended release date, while the second installment will be arriving in 2022. The producers released a statement saying the storyline and the characters took on lives of their own and grew to a span that required the movie to be released in two parts, with the title of the film's first part was unveiled as Pushpa The Rise Part 1 in August 2021. Due to surge in the COVID-19 pandemic, the film's release was rescheduled to Christmas 2021. In October 2021, the makers announced the release date as 17th December 2021. It simultaneously released in Telugu and dubbed versions in Malayalam, Tamil, Kannada and Hindi languages. Following the release, the makers deleted a controversial scene on fans' demand. In the scene, Pushpa played by Arjun touches Shrivalli's played by Vandana chest and have a conversation about it, and they felt it may not go well with the family audience. It is also reported that a few more scenes were cut to reduce its runtime. On 25th June 2021, Enadu reported that the Hindi dubbing rights were sold for 17.3 crore US $2.3 million. Initially, Karan Johar's Dharma Productions were reported to acquire the distribution rights and may present and promote the Hindi version of the film in North Indian theatres. This was reported to be third South Indian film to be presented by the company after the Bahubali franchise and 2.0 2018. However, it was reported that the film's Hindi version will not have a simultaneous theatre release. Instead, the Hindi dubbed version will release directly on YouTube. It has been reported that the Hindi version faced troubles due to the legal disputes between the producers and the Goldmines Telefilms, which regularly distributed the Hindi versions of the actors' previous films. However, in November 2021, a Hindi version poster was later released, thus clarifying that the film will have theatrical release in Hindi. In the same month, it was also reported that the Goldmines Telefilms will distribute the film in the Hindi version by collaborating with another production company. On 20 November 2021, it was confirmed through social media that the Hindi distribution would be done by AA Films. The film is distributed in Tamil Nadu by Laika Productions and Sri Lakshmi Movies Sawat Enterprises in Karnataka and by E4 Entertainments in Kerala. Music is given by Sukumar's regular collaborator Devi Sri Prasad, composed score and soundtrack of this film. Home Media Star India Network acquired the satellite rights of the film except the Hindi version, which was acquired by Dinchak TV, while Amazon Prime Video acquired the digital rights. The film began streaming 21 days later through Amazon Prime Video on 7th January 2022, while the Hindi version began streaming from 14th 6 January 2022. Pushpa The Rise is continuing to make a lot of noise at the ticket windows, and so much so that people are already talking about its sequel. For example, Pushpa 2, Pushpa The Rule. In our recent article, we talked about how the South Indian film industry has evolved from being trolled to getting worshipped. But the recent news of director Sukumar rewriting some crucial sequences of Pushpa The Rule in the sequel to make it more accessible to Hindi audiences has surely raised some points we want to highlight in this piece. Before you get into what we have to say, reserve your judgment of what do you think about makers modifying part 2 for a certain section of the audience after getting an unexpected response for the film's part 1. We are sure there will be multiple schools of thought, and the answer couldn't be a simply yes or no.